I've seen a lot of crazy videos as an attorney, but I think this one right here is going to take the cake. Now, I'm going to warn you, this video is a bit graphic, so if you don't want to see that, this video is not for you. But as always, I'm going to give you my analysis. Let me know your thoughts.
Why the fuck you put that baby here, bitch? Why the fuck you outside my courtroom? Why the fuck is she outside my courtroom? Son, yo, why the fuck y'all brought her here? I have a official. Son, give me your other arm. Relax. Stop resisting. I'm not resisting. What the fuck? Yo, son. Yo, why the fuck would you bring that baby here?
Relax your arm.
I'm relaxed.
Man, when I saw this video, I thought it was AI. I thought it was AI because I just couldn't believe that somebody would walk outside of a courtroom angry like that and kick a baby. Presumably, it's a baby because we saw a stroller. And not only that, I think what pissed me off as well was that you could hear the New Yorker in this man, right? And that's what bothered me the most. He's clearly from the city, but this event happened inside of Nassau County in Long Island. But you can hear the New Yorker in him. And as someone from New York, you guys know I'm a New York attorney. I cover people in different states all the time, but I had to cover this because I got to keep it fair. I got to call balls and strikes. And this right here is upsetting as a New Yorker. I'll tell you this, is to see this man do this act, you know what I'm saying, to this baby. So I really hope he gets prosecuted. But it made me think about a few things. Number one, if you're willing to come outside of a courtroom, right, where there's dozens of police officers, presumably cameras as well too, and do something like that, what do you like at home, right? I don't know if this lady that was with the baby, the lady that's inside of the video right at the beginning, I don't know if this lady right here happens to be his wife or his baby mama or girlfriend, whatever you want to call it. But all I know is that if they share some sort of home together, it's not good. It's not good. She clearly is fed up with it. So I really hope the prosecution, I imagine that they're going to bring a slew of charges to this man. They're clearly going to bring some kind of charge for endangering the welfare of a child, right? Like that would be like the first charge that I could think of immediately. You know, something like that, you got to knowingly act in a manner that's going to be, you know, likely injurious to a child's moral welfare, etc., physical health. You know, I imagine that the prosecution will do something like that. I want to know your thoughts, though. I want to know your thoughts on this video. What do you think about this man? What should he be charged with? You know, what kind of sentencing should he get if it even went that far? What would you recommend? What kind of jail time would you recommend? I normally don't like to see people getting prosecuted, you know, for foolish things, but this right here was not foolish. We could clearly see this man, you know, and he knows that there's a baby inside of this stroller because he's saying, why'd you bring the baby here? And it's a stroller, so presumably strollers are used to transport babies around. So for him to do this act, right, it's a horrible, horrible, horrible thing. I'll tell you what, I hope this baby sees this video in a couple years when the baby gets a little bit older and it's like, you know, big enough. And I'm not supporting violence, you know, we're on a YouTube platform, but I hope this baby gets older and responds to this man. Anyways, let me know your thoughts in the comment. As always, I'll see you in the next one.